This is TATA Harrier, Orcus White in color. This vehicle is damaged on side impact due to hitting with another vehicle. Due to impact, the rear bumper, right side tail lamp, right side quarter panel, wheel spat and fuel tank lid have been damaged. Now I am going to show you the repair process. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Manash. Let's get started. This is the entire side body panel. The panel is cut according to the measurement of the affected part. The rest portion of this panel left as scrapped. The cut panel is being joined by welding using the oxygen gas flame. Then putty application is being done. Then primer coat is being done. And finally painting is being done. And now the car is ready for delivery. If you like this presentation, please do like so that I get motivation to do more new things. To subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more content updates. Thank you and goodbye.